project. Welcome to the project Real-Time Pantry Card Information System. So in this project we are going to have two sections. This is with the passenger seat allocated system and this is at the pantry. So here we are going to have a communication as wireless using Zigbee wireless module. You can see here two Zigbee wireless communication. So here initially at the seat location you have a keypad wherein you require initially to set the seat number and along with the item number and initially along with the time. So the three parameters the user required to give from a keypad, and once the keypad has been set, wirelessly it sends the same information to the pantry. If at all the pantry has that particular item to serve, then he can have a confirmation button as here. Here it is a confirmation button and here it is a rejection button. So here depending on the requirement of item, whenever you press that request, the request is conformably being taken by pantry system. If the request has not been taken, so once when you press this particular button, he can have a confirmation again in duplex wireless communication through Zigbee as the item has not been served. So you can check the output. So as soon as you on the power supply unit, you can see here LCD gives the display unit from the both sides. So initially, once the initial title has been displayed, you can ask for the seat number. Any 4-digit seat number can be entered. So once after the 4-digit of seat number, it asks for the food item. So any 2-digit of food item can be displayed, and it asks for the time. So it's something around 12:30. Just enter in 4-digit. So it confirms the food item, the seat number along with time. So if it is confirmed with the item, you can ask for information like confirmation through A and press E to re-enter again if at all you want to change the item. So once if I press confirmation message as A, so once you have pressed the A character, so Zigbee will receive the same information and gives the information to the pantry section about the time, seat number and item. So if at all the request is accepted, he can press the button. So once a request has been accessed, he can get a confirmation message at the seat number information also as a confirmation that request has been received. So we check with non-request. So we can go here some other seat number. Next it asks for the food item, something like around 14 is your food item number, and suppose you can enter something like around some time. So here it is a wrong time which we have entered. Again it asks for the recorrect of time. So again it asks for the seat number. Next comes your food item, something around 15. So the time it should enter something around 12. So then it asks for you exactly the time location. So if it is confirmed, you can press A. So once you have pressed A as in button, you can have the confirmation message here displayed, and so time, so item number, and so information. So if at all the request has been denied, you can see here the message will get displayed like your request has been not accepted. So in this way we can change the information wirelessly given from a seat location to a pantry section through wireless Zigbee communication. Thank you.